Yo, man, you seen Antebellum yet? That movie is mad crazy.
Nah, man, you know that streaming stuff is rigged against our people, our financially strapped people. I'm gonna wait till it airs on BET 3, 4 times a day, like Medea's Family Reunion, so I can watch it with more of my economically oppressed peoples. Do you hear what I'm saying to you?
I got 2 of these coupons from Chipotle in my mailbox. Thought I'd give you one, hooker brother.
Chipotle, I'm not giving my money to them. You know that they are ripping and flipping the script on the foods of our brown brothers and sisters from south of the border. I don't play that appropriation stuff. Mm-mm.
There's this new barber down on MLK Boulevard. You got to check him out.
Nah, man, I don't need no barber. My mama cuts my hair. And that is because her cutting these locks reinforces the mother and son bond that was broken when we were ripped from the shores of Africa. Hear what I am saying to you.
They got LaCroix water down there on sale at the store, man. You better get you some.
I don't buy LaCroix water. You hear that name, LaCroix? That fancy upper crust kind of sounding name is trying to turn you into a bourgeois capitalist who does not remember where he came from. That's why I stick to that generic sparkling water. Kroger, do you hear me?
Yo, you coming to the R&B Fest tonight? It's gonna be lit.
Now you know I'm not gonna put no money in the pockets of these promoters who are robbing our young black artists of their fair share of the profits. Got them up on that stage like a minstrel show.
Man, it's free.
It's free. Well, in that case, I'll be there.